Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Microsoft Teams bot token permissions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify Microsoft Teams bot token permissions, start by accessing the Azure portal. Log in with your organizational account associated with your Microsoft Teams bot. Once logged in, navigate to the Azure Active Directory section. In the Azure Active Directory, select App Registrations from the left menu. Locate your bot's application registration from the list. Click on the name of your bot to open its settings. In the App Settings, find the API Permissions tab. Here, you will see the current permissions assigned to your bot. To verify permissions, check the list for the needed scopes your bot requires. If necessary, compare these permissions against the Microsoft Teams bot documentation. If any permissions are missing, select Add a Permission to include them. Choose the relevant Microsoft APIs that your bot requires. After selecting the APIs, choose Delegated Permissions or Application Permissions based on your needs. Select the specific permissions needed for your bot's functionality. Once permissions are selected, click on the Add Permissions button. Now, you must ensure that these permissions are actually granted. Look for the Grant Admin Consent button if your organization requires consent for certain permissions. Click Grant Admin Consent to finalize the permission settings. After granting consent, return to the API Permissions tab to review the updated list. Make sure all necessary permissions are listed and have consent. Now, navigate to the Bot section under your Microsoft Teams app settings. Check under Messaging Endpoint to ensure it matches your bot service URL. Testing your bot can also reveal if it has the correct permissions. Use the Microsoft Teams client or the Bot Framework emulator for a thorough test. Verify that your bot responds correctly to messages and commands. If there are any issues, revisit the permissions and adjust accordingly. Document each step for future reference and troubleshooting. This will ensure your bot remains functional and compliant with necessary permissions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.